Hello guys, welcome to my channel. I'm David. Um, Today we're gonna review a watch from Citizen. Actually, this is not a new model, and it's kind of new. It was released in 2024, which is 2 years ago. There are several people reviewed this watch already, but still, it didn't catch a lot of attention. But personally, I think this was definitely worth a review, which is um, this bm8180-62e. Of course, this is Echo Drive quartz watch from Citizen. I really love this watch, and so original price around $170, but I got this around $110, and which is pretty cool for the value. I mean, there are plenty of things makes this watch stunning. And let's just stop beating around the bush and take a look at the watch. Okay, it comes with this box and nothing fancy, very simple white box with a Citizen logo. Okay, this what's inside. Yeah, looks pretty stunning, I think. And I really love this kind of design, and it's just recently I really need a dress watch. I mean, I wear the G-Shock a lot, but still I don't think it fits that well. And with my dress code, and especially I wear suits a lot as a salesman, and here is a card, like a warranty card, but actually it tells you to scan the QR code and get your warranty extended. And here is the buckle, the rest of the bracelet, because I have relatively center wrist, so they adjust the lens to match my wrist, which is pretty cool. Yeah. Anyway, let's just take a look at the watch, and so my first impression is this watch looks just beautiful, and it reminds me of some more expensive ones, and I cannot recall the brands of those watches, but definitely this is a very cool beautiful timepiece, and especially got the loomed tiles and hour markers. It's not a military watch. I mean, I reviewed a lot of military watches and field watches. I usually prefer Arabic numerals, yeah, but this one I think is fine. Especially I love the loom and the dimensions. So about the dimensions, this watch is only 36.5 centimeters, and which is pretty cool. I think it's the perfect watch for my wrist. I got 6.3 inch wrist, so that's like a perfect size for my wrist. I think it's also a perfect watch for those who have small wrists like me. And it got the dome mineral crystal glass, which is really cool. Adds more retro vibe, and also more like high-end watch vibe, which is what I like about this watch, especially considering this is $100 watch. So this is a Echo Drive watch, and so you don't need to replace the battery frequently, and the accuracy only minus 10 to 15 seconds per month, which is pretty cool. It saves a lot of troubles for you. And another thing I love about this watch, it's not an atomic watch, and many people would argue with me on that, and because most people think atomic watch and radio control watch more accurate, and but I think I have some bad experience with those watches, so I sometimes I prefer a watch without the atomic function. And anyway, this watch looks just gorgeous, and nothing fancy, with very basic functions, and the day-date window, and so I think this watch looks fine for a dress watch. And I got the brushed stainless steel case. The original weight of this watch only about 100 grams, and a little bit heavy with the stainless steel bracelet. I'm not a huge fan of stainless steel bracelet, to be frank, but it works fine, and nothing fancy. So the bracelet and not something high quality, and with the Citizen logo here, and it's brushed, and the bezel is mirror polishing, which adds more like a high-end watch vibe, and gives you those kind of like at least $300 or $400 or something above that price. So I really love how they done with the case, the finishing, and the sunburst dial. It's a black dial with sunburst effect. So the barcode is like a triple folded clasp, and which is pretty cool. And on the case back, let's just take a look at the case back, and of course it's like a screw down case back with sunburst effect, brushed case back, and with Citizen logos. And so this watch has some information about the serial number, and I use Japan course movement, of course, from Citizen, and Echo Drive, and this one cased in China, and a really cool timepiece. Now let's just put on a wrist so you can tell if you like it. The loom is absolutely stunning and definitely legible, and you see, by far one of the best watch for the price. It has such kind of loom. The sheen and the polished bezel makes this watch looks just gorgeous and very beautiful timepiece, and they made for $100. So I think this is a great watch, and for $100.